Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. In our last class, we discussed about the CTE. Okay, so what is CTE? Common table expression, how this will work and all. Okay, we discussed, and also, so in that we have seen, okay, like with the simple CTE and then okay combination of okay, we can use the CTE in the joining in some other table. Okay, we can create a CTE and then that CTE we can use in a join statement, something like that, and also uh, so we can create a multiple cities with the comma separated. Okay, if you are sorry, I think you got confused here. Okay, this is one temporary result set. Okay, this is one temporary result set. This is one CTE. Okay, from year to year one more CTE. Okay, and from this open bracket to close bracket, this is one more CTE. Okay, this is one more CTE. So we can use this multiple cities. Okay, you can create like this. Okay, subqueries. Okay, you can create multiple subqueries, and then you can go with the like suppose if you want to create one more CTE. Okay, you can take a copy and then you can take a comma and then so you can paste it here and then you can use that. Okay, if it is only HR. Okay, not sales. Okay, only HR, you can keep only HR. Okay, and then okay, so like that. Okay, you can create one temporary website and then you can use that in some other. Okay, so like this. Okay, so like this you can use n number of subqueries. Okay, like this you can use n number of subqueries, and then we can okay, if you haven't watched this video guys, okay, in this previous video you can watch that video. And not only union guys, you can use that CTs in joins also. Okay, that we discussed. Okay, in joins. Okay, the CTs we can use that in a joins and as well as okay, so here I explained the joins as well as the union. Okay, whatever the way we want, okay, we can use it. Okay, so now today topic is like so updatable CTE. Okay, CTE is updatable or not, like the same way like view guys. Okay, if you see the view, okay, so in our view classes, okay, so I explained the view is updatable or not. Okay, simple views. Okay, simple view means based on single table view, okay, it's updatable. Based on the multiple table views, it's not updatable. Okay, complex view, it's not updatable. Okay, the same way even CTE also same. Okay, so when you update the table, okay, when you update the when you use update, okay, when you use update, okay, if it is a single base table in okay in CTE, if you have a single table, okay, it will be updatable. Okay, so that's the reason I have written like this. Okay, if a CTE is based on single table, then it's update will success otherwise as expected. Okay, so it will success and then as expected it will be success. Okay, and second point is if CT is based on more than one table and if update affects multiple table, then the update is not allowed. Okay, it will the statement terminate as an error. Okay, that we'll see in practical case. Okay, so let me go and then okay, let me go and then we'll see. Okay, this is the okay, single CTE case. Okay, this is the single table CTE. Okay, so for CTE, so we okay, if you are new to the CTE guys, okay, I'm strongly recommend to watch my previous video. Okay, with CTE as okay, that is our syntax, and then within open bracket and close bracket, okay, you have to go with the select statement. Okay, after that immediately I follow the update. Okay, immediately I follow the update. Okay, if you select the only select statement, this is the table I have. Okay, there after creating CTE, I am selecting CTE. Okay, updating CTE and then set name is equal to ZZZ. Okay, where name is equal to ZZ, where department ID is equal to 7. Guys, okay, so here I have the department ID 7. So where earlier it was, so it is in, now it is in why if you after that update. Okay, so the backend table will be updated or not, we'll check that. Okay, so let me execute it. Okay, 0 rows affected, 0 rows affected. So this is not 0, I think so. Okay, sorry, this is DO. So that is the reason 0 rows affected. Okay, so it's a 0. Okay, so if you change it to 0, it's affected. See, okay, if you go with the base table, if you see select that, okay, where we have a D07. Okay, okay, it's changed it to Z. Okay, it's change it to ZZ. Okay, see, so the update is working. Okay, when we have a single base table, okay, that we proved this. Okay, so when we have a single base table, okay, so the update will work for the CT. Okay, if it is multiple table combination, guys. Okay, so like I have an employee table. Okay, and then department table. Okay, I have an employee table and then department table. Okay, that is the combination of CTE. Okay, in CTE I have used this join. Okay, I have used this join. Okay, so this is the CTE. Okay, so inside CTE we have this. Okay, so it's a based on multiple tables. Okay, so based on multiple tables, what I'm doing, okay, updating what CTE set name is equal to SSS, and then department name is equal to payroll. Okay, I'm setting the name, okay, where D03 equal. Okay, so this one is, okay, where D0, and then I'm setting the name SSS, and then so department name. Okay, so that means department name from where, department name from the department table, and name from the employee table. Okay, that means, okay, the update is affecting to the multiple table, right? Okay, when the update is affect to the multiple table, okay, the update will not be allowed. Okay, it will terminate as an error. Okay, it will terminate as an error base. Okay, see, let me go here and then try to execute it. Okay, so try to execute it. Okay, just execute. See, now it's terminating as an error. Okay, that we proved, guys. Okay, if the update is affect multiple tables, so because of the modification affect the multiple tables, okay, it's not updatable. Okay, it's not updatable. Okay, hope you are clear this point. And then if the update is affect only one table, okay, if the update affects only one table, okay, if it is even though multiple tables, but the update is affect only one table, but that may not be, okay, the results may not be as expected. Okay, the results may not be as expected. Suppose if you are trying to update, okay, department to, okay, sir, name equal to, okay, where name equal to, where department name equal to D02, I think so. Okay, so do like that. Okay, so D02. Okay, I want to change the salary. Okay, so it will change. So I want to, or else you can go with the, you want to change. Okay, name is equal to some CCC. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, name is equal to CC. Okay, based on the name, okay, you are changing the salary. Okay, based on the name, you are changing the salary. Okay, but these two are belongs to only one table. But department name, you can select the department name. Okay, suppose where department name is HR. Okay, something like that. Okay, so if you have one more HR, okay, so that salary will change for all. Okay, the salary will change for all HR. Okay, suppose if the department name is DEPT name. Okay, DEPT name. Okay, you can, the update is not as expected. Okay, I want to, if you want to go with the department name IT, okay, so IT, so it will change for all IT employees. Okay, but I want to go with the specific. Okay, so you don't have any unique. Okay, it will not, okay, it will change for it, the update will be effect. Okay, the update will be effect, but it is not as expected. I want to change only the name of A and then IT. So then that time, okay, if you update, okay, it's a single base table. Okay, okay, it's affecting only single base table. Okay, even though you have a multiple tables, it's affecting the single base table, but the update will allow, but not as expected. Okay, that is the third point. Okay, that is the third point. It's not as expected, but whatever I'm expecting, so it's not going to be effect like that. Okay, but it's changing for all. Okay, for all IT employees. Okay, so the salary is changing for all IT employees. Okay, if you go and if you select this, okay, but you cannot make it to the single person. Okay, if you try to write a name, again this name is from different table, and then department name is from different table. Okay, you cannot take it. Okay, so whenever you will try to take a condition, okay, multiple tables, okay, this update will not allow. Okay, so you cannot go with the, okay, you can, if it is affect only one table, if you have a multiple table base table also, if it is affect to only single table, the effect, okay, may succeed, but it's not as expected. Okay, those are the 3 points you need to remember, guys. Okay, that is the updatable. Okay, so updatable common table expression. Okay, hope you are clear that. Okay, so please like and share, subscribe my channel. Okay, if you haven't subscribed. Okay, for more videos, guys. Okay, thank you. Thanks for that.